Okay, what I'm going to do now, I've got a series. I've got 6 numbers that are written in standard form, and what I'm going to do is convert the standard form into the regular number. Now, you could just use your calculator. Okay, so I can just go 5.63 times 10 to the power 3, 5,630. Okay, but if I do 8.63 times 10 to the minus 7, okay, sometimes it's annoying. The calculator doesn't give you the answer in a regular format, it gives you in standard form again. Okay, so we do actually need to be able to do some of these without a calculator. Well, fortunately, it's not hard because it's just about jumping the decimal. Now here, I want the number to get bigger because I'm multiplying effectively by 10 3 times. And as you remember, that if I want to make the number bigger, I need to move the decimal place backwards. Okay, so this is going to need to be backwards, backwards, backwards. So it's going to leave here and it's going to arrive here. And so my number becomes 5630. And of course, we don't need to put the decimal place here because we know it's there. If I do this one, here I'm effectively dividing by 10 3 times. Okay, and in order to do that, I need to make the number smaller. I need to move the number backwards in place value, but the easiest way to do that is actually to move the decimal place forwards. And I'm going to go 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps. And notice that we have only 2 zeros, even though there was a 3 here, because the first jump took me over 2. And I can't have the decimal place in 2 places. I need to destroy it there and allow it there. And write the number neatly, 0.00274. Remember that one we couldn't do on the calculator? Well, here we have effectively dividing by 10 7 times, and it's being a bit boring doing all these dividing by 10s here, so that's divided by 10, divided by 10, divided by 10. So dividing by 10 7 times is going to be making the number going smaller. The number needs to go backwards in place value, so I need to jump the decimal place forwards. Okay, so this will be going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the decimal place is going to arrive here. And I need to get rid of it from here, and I need to introduce some zeros to show where the place value of the 8 is, and I'm going to write it again neatly. And I'd also like to just quickly make the point that we had 7 jumps, but one of the jumps took us over the 8. Okay, if I do this one over here, we've got times 10 to the power 6. Okay, we're multiplying by 10 6 times. So I write 2.9 and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the decimal place arrives here. Introduce the zeros and remove the decimal place from here. And I'll just write it again neatly. And the decimal places are necessary. And we've got 2 more to do. This one is like multiplying by 10 4 times. So I'm going to get 3.14. 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps. I'm going to get 31400. This last one, we've got 10 to the minus 4, and so we divide by 10 4 times, which gives us 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal place arrives here. We get rid of it here. We write the number neatly, 0.00097.